Welcome back, this is Stuart, and today I'm going to prepare Tortilla de Patata Española. That is Spanish potato omelette. And this is very delicious, so don't go nowhere. I'm going to show you how to make it and make it very easy and simple. See you soon. And these are the ingredients: 4 potatoes, 1 onion, 4 to 5 eggs, extra virgin olive oil and salt. Peel and cut the potatoes into thin medallions. Cut the onions. This is going to add the nice flavor to the Tortilla Española. Heat your pan very hot, add the oil, and then the olive oil and then the potatoes. Stir, add the onions, and make sure that the heat is medium. Continue stirring. And this is very important because you don't want the potatoes to burn. So you have to continue stirring with the onions and the potatoes. You're going to notice the smell is going to be delicious as you go through this process. If you notice that things are heating too fast, you can turn the heat to medium-low. You cover it and keep stirring from time to time. And continue mixing the potatoes and the onions. And the goal is to make sure everything eventually softens. Cover the potatoes and now just start beating the eggs. Now you continue stirring because once again you don't want the potatoes to burn. Add a little bit of salt. Continue stirring. This is more of a visual process. Cover from time to time. See how the potatoes are turning. They're becoming kind of smashed and nice. And continue doing the same until you find the perfect texture. See how nice they look? Once it's done, put it aside and start straining them. So the oil strain a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. And once you strain them, put them in another container and get them ready. I have another strainer, so I continue straining on its own. And then you mix them up with the eggs, as you can see here. See how nice they look and soft. And then you start, once you put them there, you start mixing them together until everything is well mixed together. Put another pan, heat it up, medium heat. Add some of the residual olive oil that you used to cook the potatoes, and then add the mix and kind of fit it nicely, perfectly. You can use your spoon to do that or spatula. And you're going to let it heat for about 5 minutes, shaking it constantly so it doesn't stick. Use your spatula to make it look pretty and nice. And then it comes the flip. And you do that by grabbing another plate, put it on top. Be careful because, it can slide. And you flip it. And once you flip it, you put the other side in the pan. And you repeat the process for another 5 minutes. Now you might have to do that another time if you wanted the thing to cook more. However, in my case, I did 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other. Repeat the process of checking the pan so it doesn't stick. From time to time I felt it, kind of the senses, the touch. And there are other ways of also inspecting this process, especially if you don't like runny eggs. So I just pinch it and notice that the egg wasn't running. So I knew that was almost done. See how I pinch it with a little stick? And that's it. Now it's time to cut it. And you're going to see how beautiful and nice this Tortilla Española de Batata looks. Look at that. See the cut? See how it looks on the side? And this is delicious.